Backstory with Gabe time. Alright, skeleton ship here. The other team's brig is right here. We're falling into the fortress from behind the camera right now. We got 5 chests here, 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 and here. We have one guy in the crows or the tower right here, and then there's one guy on the beach here. We don't know where the third guy's at. Maybe it was just 2. Who's to say? We're gonna get right into the action. Let's pop back to the beginning of the story and take it from there. Are they on your side or far side?
Far side.
Alright. What we could do is take turns shooting onto the island and just getting it dug up. And if we get one of the insta-sink barrels, what's that to our north? Or 12 barrels?
Yes, barrels.
If we get an insta-sink barrel, we'll just go over and sink the brig. Alright, I'm gonna get a shot. Unless you want to be the first one on.
No, you go. You feel it out. Because if they're... I mean... Like, should we be friendly first?
I mean, I'm just not going to make much contact with them. I'm just going to go in there and work on task at hand.
There's like 3 right by the door.
3?
2, maybe.
Oh, on the map.
Yeah.
I thought you meant people.
Oh, no.
Whee!
Should I move the cannon?
Hey, where am I at? There's just one there.
Who's in the cannon tower?
I don't know. I'll climb up and check. Near side cannon tower? Oh, skeleton. Where was that?
So there should be one right on the beach in front of you.
Alright.
Like if you...
Hey dudes, we just got a quest here. You guys can keep doing your thing and we'll just... Alright, well, I mean, if you do that... Like... If they shoot again... Is that a skeleton or is that like an actual player? Man, I'm trying to...
He's
get a
getting
little lucky.
closer.
That's a skeleton.
Alright, they hit. Did they respond?
I don't know, there's one in the cannon tower... There's 2 in the cannon tower that I'm not in.
Hope they're not swimming out to us.
They're not.
Oh, that's right, because
They're doing the quest.
Right. The
Ooh,
quest?
I hope he's okay. Alright, one died. Alright, they're shooting at us now.
Do you want to try and take them down?
I'm going to do the thing that I said where I'm going to go the long way around the island. Try to hit one of the points by the pond. And see what we get. And if it's boom barrel, going straight to their boat.
Sorry, did you say there was one on the boat? Because it looks like it's moving.
Yeah, there should be one on the boat now.
Alright, yeah, they're trying to engage.
Oh, are they coming towards our boat?
Yeah. That's alright, I can outrun them. Just get the quest done.
Alright.
We can scuttle.
They're not moving.
Are they not?
That's a skeleton ship.
No, I see them. I thought they turned.
No, they're still stationary.
Alright, I got way too close. They probably think I'm after them.
Are they still shooting at us?
Ooh, that guy's a good shot. Yeah, they're shooting at us now.
Alright, I got a boom barrel.
Alright, I'm just not gonna shoot.
Keep their attention.
Whew, these guys are good shot.
What happened?
Did they scuttle?
No. Bird up! Bam, 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 bam.
What, did you boom them?
Yeah, I did.
Gabe!
Dude, they're shooting at us. We need to get this done.
Alright.
They're done. They're gone.
Sweet. Good job.
Bird up!
Gabe!
Yeah, there you are. No more. They must have had a boom barrel in the crow's nest. Because as soon as I sent that first one off, fireworks happened. Like, man.
I'm coming back to the island. Should I worry for anything?
There's one in the cannon tower still.
Does he not see the... Well, they would have told him.
Oh no, his boat's gone. Like,
I know.
After he dies, there's no more of him coming back.
Like, which cannon tower is it? I'll try and snipe him.
The one that was shooting at us earlier. The one to the east. I think he's still there.
Alright, well, I would hit him if he's there.
You might have hit the skeletons.
Perfect shot.
I mean, I'm gonna do the wave while I'm here, I mean, because they kill me or I kill them, basically. Alright, I'm dead.
Who killed you?
Me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there should only be... I killed one of them. One guy was in the cannon tower. I don't know if there's a third or not. Alright, I'm back on boat soon.
Alright, you can start paling.
I'm dead now.
I believe it.
Is the shark done yet?
Nope.
Alright, I figured I'd ask.
Do you want me to stay on boat in case that skelly comes back?
Yeah, I don't think the player left either, unless there's no mermaid around, but
I don't see any smoke.
He didn't leave the cannon tower, though. Or at least not that I saw.
It's a really good song.
Thanks. It's pretty cool, right? Right there. Alright. Should be able to hit this. I'm gonna win. Look at how much I won right there. Oh no!
Good job. Okay, I just got 50. Do we want to keep that one? If we can.
It is surrounded by not happy people.
I'm curious how much of an explosion that'll make. Like, do you want to...
That felt awesome. What? Oh, I blew up the other one I was digging up.
Oof. Sweet.
We could just finish off the waves. I think there's only like one or two left.
Why isn't there a gunpowder flame? Because everyone dies from that one.
Well, it goes by what kills you.
Yeah, well, there's no
So
gun.
if a player blows you up with the gunpowder, then it's pink. The skeleton blows up and it kills you, it's green. If a shark somehow finds a way to make that happen, you might as well just uninstall the game, because that's terrifying. Huzzah!
A man! Winning time! I put a boom right at the entrance. I don't know if you saw that. Oh, it blew up. Alright, Goldies to the back. Hang on. I'm gonna Allahu Akbar them.
Alright. Well, that was easy.
There's a gunpowder right there.
Wait.
They're behind you.
I'm just realizing my character's holding that up right here.
I need glasses!
Look at how spherical it is, but also flat like Grandma sat on it. So do we want to move the boat or just leave it there?
Is there like a way to get closer?
Brig's coming in.
I mean, I'm good to leave. I mean, I don't need
Come on and
this.
get the expensive stuff, then we'll leave. Or
Gabe.
we could claim it all and blow them up. Because I have full faith we can.
I don't. And I don't want to end this night on a bad note.
But it's so much fun.
I mean, grab a couple mermaid gems if you think we have time.
After you leave the exit, go to the right side and put it on the shoreline.
I'm already back
South
to the
side, and I'll
boat.
just harpoon it onto the boat.
They're too close.
Wait, what do you want to do?
They're too close. We can't do that. Okay, what are you doing? They're right here.
Yeah, I know.
Alright. Going in.
No,
What? You said put it on the shore.
Yeah, but they're right here now. Let's fight them for the loot. I'm gonna win like a winner. Can you straighten wheel when you get the chance? Oh, I don't have a shot anymore. Just get me to a point where I can get a shot on him. Incoming.
Shoot.
No.
Left side. Gabe, shoot.
Wait, they're not in range yet.
Still?
Yeah. Right now they are. I'll keep them off the cannons.
How we doing?
I took one of them down with the cannons.
I'm underneath. If you need to move the boat, you're gonna have to do it yourself.
Alright. If you keep it afloat, I can win the fight. Because that's how winning happens.
That's how Mafia works. Stupid.
Our turning radius is like a jumbo jet. I just need to get back. Oh, it's theirs. Alright, you ready on cannons? It's in range now. Let go of the dumb steering wheel. It's too late. Or maybe they're just trying to get away from the mag. Alright. If they have stopped, new game plan is just sneak up behind them, hit the brakes.
They just anchored.
As long as we stay in their blind spot, we'll win this. If they anchored, like, there's no way. We can just keep them pinned. You need closer?
If you can. Oh, did that land?
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try to sword dash over there. Shark incoming somewhere?
Probably us. Yep, it's very much us. They're on the island.
I mean, not on their boat.
Did I hit them? I think I hit a player.
Yeah, as long as you get a hole, they're going down pretty quick. Yeah, they're gone. Yep, they sunk. Hold fire. They are on the island, though.
Tell me where they are. I can land a couple shots. They
Probably
by
in the treasure room. Killed one. That's one. Watch in the water. They might be trying to swim out with a gunpowder barrel like I did. Bird up. Bird up. Boom, 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 boom.
Trying to get sniping.
No, I just accidentally shot when I put out the trumpet. Oh, I heard a shot.
He's trying to snipe me.
Where at? Oh, in the cannon tower?
He's up there somewhere, yeah.
Oh, there he is. I'll
Got,
take care of him.
got him?
No. I didn't see where he was.
Oh, there's a little bit of water happening.
Bird up! That's how you know the communists have fallen.
Is that all of them?
Yeah, that's it.
Sweet. Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna put all the stuff on the north shore for you to harpoon in.
Okay. I feel bad.
I don't.
Well, let's like ruin your day.
I'm fine with that.
Yeah. Especially because we started it, kinda.
No, we didn't.
A
They
little.
shot first.
Somebody in water.
Mermaid.
No, he's trying to spyglass me.
Is he?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I got a pistol with his name on it. That's probably their loot.
It might be.
Yeah, that's their loot.
So we're sure we killed 3. Can I get out and get that?
I killed 2. That's the only ones that were on the boat. Haha, it's got like string cheese.
What? Alvin, don't you dare say that.
You know you do.
I don't know if I've ever had string cheese.
Really?
Is that just like a cheese stick?
It's a cheese stick, but you peel it.
What's the point? Just eat it straight.
But string cheese like rations out your
Well, I'm
chicken.
hungry.
So, get a flagon of a wagon and then just drink it down.
Flag in a wagon?
Yeah, a flagon wagon. Achoo! Sorry, I sneezed.
I mean, I like cheese sticks, so how, like, that's just you take the bread off.
Yeah. I'm noticing that whenever you shoot, like, your player, like, points forward where you want it to hit.
Yeah, I've noticed you do that. Look like I pick up a rock for a second.
Wait, is there more?
I was hoping there'd be a gunpowder in that tower.
Well, that's not how you check. This is how you check. There wasn't.
The shark is not done, in case you were wondering.
Be done. Is it done now? This should be whenever we make an alliance with somebody, we have to make them eat the shark or chicken or whatever.
Yeah, that's how you enter the...
Yeah, we take the first bite, they take the second. That'll be the unwritten rule from now on.
Like, if you want to be in our alliance, you gotta...
You gotta partake of our culture.
What's that called? Is that called hazing?
I don't know, I feel pretty hazy after we're done with it. So.